I want to talk about the secrets of scaling paid ads no matter what business level you're at. All you want to do is you can just run lead ads, okay, for some sort of thing. And you're like, I want really high quality people. Well, welcome to cold traffic. So they won't be. But what you will need to create is a sales process that creates qualified customers, all right? And so when I say creates, it's really just filters for good ones.
So just like Hermosi said, you need to have in your sales system these filtration steps to make sure that whenever you hop on a sales call, it's with somebody that's actually ready to buy. Check this out. In the very beginning over here, this is what I call an AI messenger funnel, in which case you can build this out with ManyChat or with OpenAI. First step over here, we're just saying, hey, this is our client success story. Is ready to become the next one. Then over here, it's asking them, hey, what's your email, name, and phone number? Then it's like, call us now, schedule a call. I want to hop on live chat. Next thing over here is kind of just us being able to retarget those people with ads to a funnel, just in case of any part in that messenger sequence they drop off. You want to bring them over to a funnel for just more information, to handle FAQs and different things like that. But what Hermosi says, you want to make sure that you're only hopping on people that are ready to buy. So what you can do over here is there's a landing page, calendar page, thank you page. If you add a survey right over to here, further qualifying what's your credit score, have you ever had any collections in the past, what's hurting your credit, and how much money you have ready to invest, that's going to significantly increase the cost per conversions. Increase the cost per lead. But whereas if you have that survey not there, but if you have it over here after the calendar, after the book, it's not really a frictional event because it's after the book. So the cost per lead will be lower. You're going to have more leads at a cheaper cost, but it's not going to have that friction event of the survey, a good friction event, the survey to pre-qualify them. Some people might fill out the survey after the calendar people. Some people might just drop off. Next one over here is another cool one over here. This is what I call a VSL funnel. They come in from an ad right over here. Then boom, first step over here is to watch our video. Make sure that you watch our video over here, the full video. And once you watch the full video, it's going to ask you a question. Hey, do you have at least $500 or do you have less than $500? If they have more than $500, take them over to our calendar page, take them over to a sales call, and boom, we make our money. If they have less than $500, screw that. I don't even want to hop on a call with these people, and I'm going to try to downsell them into some sort of done for you or do it yourself product. Whereas this is more maybe a DFY or whatever, just high ticket, whatever. Boom. Another one example over here is a business funding funnel. Coming from an ad over here, boom, boom, boom. The first question that we ask on the first page of the funnel is, name, email, and phone number. But then we usually have a split, in which case is if they give us, this is easy to get right over here. This over here, more questions, a little bit more difficult. So we try to have a step on here. Step 1, fill out these questions. Step 2, fill out this. In which case, if you drop out over here, we're still retargeting them with emails and text messages because we got the email and phone number. Boom. But once they submit this, it's going to take them over to here. Next step over here, upload the docs in this business funding funnel. Once they upload the docs, takes them over to the thank you page, and the processing team then goes over and gets them funding, money in our pocket. But at any point of this, they disqualify, if they don't have a good credit score, if they're not really making enough, doesn't have collateral, whatever it is, to disqualify them. Or it takes them over to, hey, we're going to offer you credit repair because that's another affiliate thing that you can offer, a little downsell, which then you later bring them back in for business funding. What I'm trying to say is all these different steps in these funnels, all really does are filtration steps to be able to make sure that you hop on sales calls with people that are ready to buy, not tomorrow, but today. If you need this, guys, you already know where to go. It was on the top of this video. Funnel Hacker Lab. God bless.